Hi everyone, today I want to share how I make Indian sweets barfi. Basically it's milk and sugar, but it tastes amazing. It is very popular in India, and if you haven't tried making one, definitely try because it's not hard at all. For the ingredients, we'll need 1 cup of milk, 2 cups of milk powder, about 50 grams of butter, that's half of a stick, half of a cup of sugar, and 1/4 of a teaspoon of salt. I'll be decorating the barfi with some pistachios nuts, but you can also leave it as it is or use any other nuts you like. And we'll start off by heating half of a stick of butter on medium heat. And usually I'll get some of the butter and brush on the tray I'll be putting my barfi in. That'll prevent the barfi from sticking to the base. And the tray I'll be using is about 6 by 8 inches. Now I'll add 1 cup of milk and mix until the butter is dissolved completely. Add half of a cup of sugar and 1/4 of a teaspoon of salt. Start mixing and don't stop mixing until the milk will start to boil. When the milk will start to boil, reduce the heat to low and add 2 cups of milk powder. Now you'll be mixing for about 4 or 5 minutes until the batter will start to thicken. And you can see right here the batter got much thicker, so I'll turn off the heat and bring it off the heat. Transfer it to a container, and you can put parchment paper on the surface or use some butter to prevent sticking. Give it a good press to make it flat and even. And now it's the time to put any toppings on the barfi. I'm using some crushed pistachio nuts. Give it a good press so the nuts will stick to the barfi. Place it in the refrigerator for about an hour to cool it down. This is probably my very first Indian sweet I ever tried, and I liked it a lot. I definitely recommend you to try making one, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more recipes coming soon.